Let me tell you a story that a friend shared with me. Today is an important day to him as he has to deliver a presentation. But like any other day, he woke up and started getting ready only after many alarm bells. To catch up with time, he thought to skip breakfast. But later he thought to carry breakfast and have it while driving. Immediately he thought a better alternative would be to book a cab so that he can have his breakfast and also buy some time to go through presentation once again. This idea seems perfectly working to him as everything seems normal and back on track again. Cab was packed, but he figured out things and started going through presentation. After a while, it has come to his conscious that cab was not moving. All the way, he was concentrating on the presentation. He looked out of window and saw few people were protesting. They blocked the road, so there was no movement taking place. They had to take other direction to move on. Finally, he was happy that there is movement, but his happiness didn't last for a long time. This time, cab is stuck near a train gate. There is no other option but to wait for the train to pass by and gates to open. If it was the daily route they travel, there is an underground tunnel passage. Unfortunately, there is no such possibility here, so they are waiting. Once the train clears the way, everyone on the road is so ready to cross the track. One person's hurry is another person's problem, and guess what? Cars from opposite directions hit each other. With this accident, he started feeling pressure. He realized that it will take more time to clear traffic. And as his office was at walkable distance, he thought to leave cab. He took his phone out to pay, but balance was insufficient to pay fare. Instead of adding balance, he paid cash to save time. But he had to forego cashback option. He ran fast as time is ticking. And finally, he was on time at office gate. He met the team and they had a summary meeting just before the presentation to discuss important data points. And at presentation time, his revision in cab has come for a great help. He presented all points and everything went smooth. Whole team was happy with the outcome. A moment of sigh, relief of pressure. Memories just flashed as to what happened an hour back. Of all uncertainties, finally it was a happy ending. An end after many events that could have stopped him at every level. But for that moment, he felt like an achiever. Finally, it is time for me to introduce the friend. He is none other than a company that I have invested in. Yes, this story was that of a company. A company that had very less time to deliver a consignment. So it took help of third party to make delivery on time. Meanwhile, it also employed competent people to take up job from their side. After a while, company had to change the agreement with third party so that responsibility division is more evident, as it was not clear previously. But company still had to wait because third party had some unfinished work of others. Only after that, company's work will be taken up. As receivables were not managed properly, company had to pay third party using a bank loan. Finally, goods were produced. Third party said logistics will take delivery in a while as they were stuck on road while delivering other orders. But company had no time, so it has sent its own logistics to pick up. Goods reached on time at company's assembly plant for final packing. Few proactive strategies have come for a great help. Company finally released goods on time to market. It was a moment of pride for company. It felt like a winner. Company posted attractive profit and share price started gaining. But at every level, there were enough uncertainties that could have stopped the company from releasing product to market. This time, share price saw gain, but don't you think there were many events that could have stopped the company from selling its products and posting a profit, which ultimately led to such increase in share price? Before I talk about external events, let me just take you back. That friend woke up late. If he was early, maybe all these problems wouldn't have arisen, right? So he is the main problem. But wait, waking up late itself cannot be the deciding factor and final conclusion to the problem. Surely he woke up late, but what might be the reason? Maybe he was enjoying previous night. Well, he should not do so considering such an important schedule ahead. Or he may be working all night to finish the work so that everything runs smoothly. If that was the case, the results are clearly evident. Certainly, a person's ability, capability, and his personality will get noticed. An incompetent one will be questioned by time, in many situations in long run. So first of all, one shall individually be competent to deal external situations. Even if he woke up early, there were many uncertainties that were out of his control. Same thing with a company. They may be fighting its competitors together or fighting among themselves. So few companies may underperform because they have to face many external situations which are out of their control. Even after a thorough investment checklist and buying a quality company, still company share price may not reach expected target. Now it is time to mention company name. Sorry, I woke up just now. I have to get ready for presentation. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to Share Subbu and click the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update.